Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to EMA and welcome to Interpack Day 4. Interpack, where EMA is taking you on a journey through its visions, technologies, innovations, and values. My name is Pietro. I'm happy to be your host for this intense day here inside our gigantic booth, actually, 5,000 square meters, on which we display nothing less than 46 machines. But we are not only here to display machines, we're also here to share insights with you, dear customers, dear partners, visitors, suppliers, friends. Insights about the latest developments in terms of technologies, innovations, and sustainability, all coming from EMA. And to do that, we have launched our Sensing Future talks, which are being held inside the Sensing Future arena. And it's time for the very first talk of this fourth day here at Interpack. And it's a talk about a quite big topic, because we're about to dive into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, who are drastically, rapidly, and quickly changing manufacturing and thus our industry. Because thanks to AI and ML today, we are able to obtain insights, to gain insights about processes that previously were just not possible to obtain. Our guest speaker is a real expert in AI and ML, and we're happy to have her here to talk about the latest trends and developments. So without any further ado, join me in welcoming Business Development Manager at EMA Digital, Martina Stefanon. Good morning, Martina.
Oh, good morning, Pietro. Welcome, all of you here. Wow, you're so many. That's great.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Please join me here at the table. Well, Martina, welcome to the arena. And
Thank you.
Please guide us through this intriguing world of AI and machine learning.
Okay, yes. Today, I would like to introduce you, give you a little insight into the fascinating world of data-driven services for manufacturing. This is a great topic, and you all know machines can deliver an enormous amount of data. But the point is, you also need to know what data to collect, because we cannot collect everything. And so it's interesting to understand what data are useful to be translated into valuable and meaningful information, because that is the point that gives value to data. But how does it work? Here you see very simply what happens. We have a machine. During production, the machine produces lots of data. We collect the ones that we think are important through our gateway, A4Gate, or through a cloud-to-cloud connection, because many customers already collect data and store them in their cloud. So we can take data also directly from their clouds, and we send them to our EMA data room. I always like to say this is a place where the magic happens, where raw data is translated into information, into value. How does this happen? In our data room, we have complex algorithms, we have anomaly detection models, we have predictive models, we have artificial intelligence solutions. So very, very complex things that work to translate raw data into information that everybody can use in a simple way, effective way, to enhance efficiency, to optimize production processes. And these information are then visualized and delivered to our customers through the EMA Sentinel platform.
Martina, how do EMA's strategies or visions related to AI translate into, tangible products or services?
Well, first of all, I would like to say that our goal is to use technology to simplify what is complex. Behind whatever you see, there are very, very complex models, algorithms, artificial intelligence solutions that work. But what we want to deliver to our customers must be something simple and easy to use. And this has always been our focus when we design new services, when we develop new solutions. And it's very important to be able to deliver information in the proper way. So share the insights that we get from data, deep diving into data. Here you have an example of different dashboards on the way you would see what we extract from data. And talking about algorithms, you know what? Back in 2020, so 3 years ago, we already had a vision. And this vision was algorithms as a service. Back then, it seemed something far ahead, very, very challenging. But today, it is reality because we translated this vision into a value proposition that allows us to stay ahead of the market, anticipating needs that customers do not even know they have, and creating a demand for disruptive solutions that on the market did not exist before. And how does this translate into market offerings? What we see on the market is we call them different environments that we encounter in our customers' realities. We have what we call a common environment, the environment that we encounter more often, where we have a low to medium level of digitalization, where there is a raw data collection or even no data collection, where there is a need to translate fast, solutions need to translate fast into money, into results. And here, these kind of customers need turnkey solutions. They need sort of out-of-the-box solutions, nothing complicated. Then we have complex environments. Complex environments usually we find in big corporations where there already is a data collection, even though sometimes it is not really effective, it is not streamlined, where we have in-house data science teams, where there is a level of digitalization and where the need is to develop internally solutions that leverage the knowledge that our customers have on and the expertise they have on production processes. So addressing these two different environments, we came to the market with, for the common environment, a done-for-you solution, which we call Algo Market. And for the complex environments, a done-with-you solution that we call Sandbox.
All right. Can you give us some maybe examples, concreter examples for these two services?
Yes, we developed a tailored value proposition for these two environments I was talking about. When we talk about Algo Market, we think about, you see it in the picture, is nicely displayed, off-shelf solutions. So the idea is that our customers can pick from a sort of virtual shelf a use case, a solution that behind has complex algorithms. And in this way, we talk about algorithms as a service. But in fact, it is something that through our Sentinel platform, they can immediately apply on their machines. And with a very, very low effort, just a little bit of patience for time to have the algorithm trained to give the most effective results, they can easily access complex algorithms and complex solutions in a very easy way. Like I go to the supermarket, look at the shelves and pick what I need. So we offer them an effective and efficient data collection, out-of-box solutions, and a very fast result-oriented solution. Whereas in the Sandbox, we address more complex customers. Here we offer a collaborative architecture. A collaborative architecture that translates into a sort of common playground. And here we really partner with our customers, developing together algorithms and solutions in the sandbox. In the northern countries, you have the children playing in sandboxes and having fun. And well, that's a little bit the idea, because it's complex, it's challenging, but for the experience that we are having, it's a lot of fun to work together with the customers. We create great partnerships, and the result is always that the sum 1 + 1 is not 2 but is 3 by collaborating this way. We give the customers in this collaborative space a network of complex algorithms. Often we even do the data management for them. So we really also from an architectural point of view are able nowadays to address even the most high-level customers like big pharma companies.
Can you give me an example for a pre-made algorithm and how the market is responding to this offering so far?
Yes. We're very excited about the response of the market because, whenever you develop disruptive solutions, anticipating or creating something which does not even exist on the market, you never know how the market will react. So when we get these great feedbacks from our customers, we are really excited. So one example I can give you, a company in what I called before the common environment. So where the need was to increase OE, increase efficiency. It's a very common need that everybody has. And what solution did they choose? They choose from the algo market a solution which lies on a very complex system of benchmarking algorithms, but that translates into something very simple that operators can use from a tablet. So really, really simple. This customer gave his operators on the machine this tablet saying, use this tool to increase efficiency because it gives operators suggestions on where to concentrate first to gain back very quickly efficiency percentage points. The result was really great. The result was that within 3 months, they had a 7.6% increase in OE. The machine operators got highly involved and they even started a positive competition among them. So it turned out to be almost a game for them. They started to sort of bet, the worst one would offer coffee to everybody. And then the plant manager found out that at the end, Friday nights, they would go out and look at the performances of the week, and the worst one would pay beer for everybody. So for me, this is twice the result, because you reach the goal, which was increasing efficiency, but having fun. So this is, wow, for me, just
a win-win situation.
Yeah, exactly. Then we have an example in a very complex environment. Here we're talking about a big pharma company. They had the need to extract value from data, both looking at performance management and also addressing process analysis. So very complex pharma lines with process machines, with production machines, with an enormous amount of data these lines would deliver. They bought from us the sandbox environment, the sandbox solution with a collaborative playground, with a network of very complex algorithms available to them, with Sentinel platform to rapidly express value. Because what was missing in there, even if they had an internal data science team, they did not know how to show the results and the information they extracted from data. So they could not share it even internally. So they had data scientists working on data, and they had this tons and tons of figures, of numbers, and their colleagues didn't know what to do with them. So Sentinel helped them to rapidly express value from the insights they had from data. The impact they had on the predictive models that we developed together with them and which are already working on the machines, the 98% prediction accuracy prevents basically potential millions of dollar losses. So this is already a great result.
98% accuracy. You said 98%?
98% accuracy, yes. Wow. Yes, that's impressive, but that's the way it is because we monitor it. So Plus, they managed to see anomalies, to detect anomalies which otherwise would have been impossible to detect. Because imagine one of these lines delivers about 15,000 data points, tags in continuous. So for a human being, it's impossible to analyze that and to detect anomalies. Whereas applying very complex algorithms and machine learning techniques and artificial intelligence, this is now possible. So for them, it's possible to detect anomalies real time. Plus, for analytics and analysis they were doing on process, before what happened, for one single analysis, it took a person 3 days to complete the analysis and to have it. Now they have it real time. And imagine this just for one analysis. Now we have in place about more than 50 different analyses. So, well, it's easy to see the very big advantages, savings, potential savings, and results that this customer has had through the collaborative environment that we were able to deliver.
Last question for you, Martina. Are you developing all these solutions in-house, or are you partnering with external companies?
Everything we develop in-house, and this is part of our internal journey that we do not have to overlook. And this allows us to be fast, to be effective, to stay ahead of the market, because we internalized all the skills necessary to develop whatever we deliver to our customers. And this allows us also to have the solutions that I just showed you. Otherwise, it would not be possible. And we're still increasing over and over again our teams. They are growing each day in people. And so we have a very, very strong internal structure to be able to deliver all this and to work together with our customers.
All right, Martina, thank you very much. We have exceeded our time, so we don't really have the time for a Q&A session. You deserve this applause. Martina Stefanon, thank you very much.
Thank you. Anyhow, I invite you to our IMA Digital booth, so if you have further questions, or anyhow, I really invite you to come and see live what I was just talking about before.
And before that, you will be at our bar in front of the stage for a quick espresso. So if you would like to ask questions to Martina, you can use that opportunity as well.
I will just take away my microphone.
Okay, thank you very much, Martina.
Thanks to you.